one thing very specific about these, the big cats जिनको हम बोलते हैं ना, largely we will say technically these are those which are able to roar. So these will be the Panthera genus species. If you see the snow leopard, it is also living in the higher reaches of your Himalayas. So that is the reason that its behavior is also accordingly adjusted. It will choose to hunt mostly at the night time. हाँ? नाम है इसका Pantherinae. Pantherinae family. One is the Pantherinae and the other is Felinae. Perinae, Felinae, Pantherinae, and this can be further divided into two. One is the Neophelis, in which the clouded leopard will be there. Clouded leopard, it's belonging to a different subfamily which you say is Neophelis. And the other genus that you have is Panthera genus. Panthera genus. So in the Panthera genus we have most of these species. The lion, tiger, then you have lion, tiger, jaguar, leopard. In the Felinae we have cheetah and puma. Here we will have your cheetah and puma. Puma is actually the genus. The species itself is called cougar. जिसको माउंटेन लायन भी बोलते हैं in America. In the American continent, if you see from the Central America up till the Amazon forest, there will be this prominent species of the big cat which will be found, the pumas. ठीक है, माउंटेन कैट या फिर पैंथर सेम है आपका, प्यूमा, cougar. Puma is the genus. ठीक है, Acinonyx genus is for this. Cheetah's genus is Acinonyx. Acinonyx genus. ठीक है. One thing very specific about these, the big cats जिनको हम बोलते हैं ना, largely we will say technically these are those which are able to roar. So these will be the Panthera genus species.
The ones which are going to roar are the big cats, no?
The ones, technically it said that the ones which are able to roar. Now that is because of one specific bone which they have in their neck, and when that is pressing against their chest, then the sound which is produced that will come out in the form of roar. Hyoid bone, we say, they possess this. It is a split bone, double split bone will be there in their neck. ठीक है, so because of this bone, if it's not there in those species, you will see they are not able to roar.
Few cheetahs can't roar.
हाँ, we will come to that also. First you write about these. I'll tell you that another specifics also about cheetah and snow leopard. In fact, snow leopard also cannot roar. Snow leopard आपका इधर ही आएगा. गर्मी हो रखी है काफी. You're not feeling hot?
Which one will roar more finally? Like lion, tiger, jaguar, and leopard.
These will roar. Yes, these. The Panthera genus, if you see, they have the capability of roaring. But if you see this cheetah, it cannot roar. It will not roar, rather it will have purr. It will be purring just like the other cats. ठीक है. Tiger is one species which is able to do both simultaneously. The purr of the tiger we are not able to hear because of the frequency. It's infrasonic. Its purr is infrasonic frequency. That is why we cannot hear that. But its other members of the family, they will be able to know that he's sending me a signal, I should be there. It's sort of communication between them. ठीक है? So tiger is one. At the same time, it can roar also. Roar is heard by us, but the infrasonic sound which is in the form of purr, we cannot hear that. ठीक है? Is it clear? If this is clear, then we shall proceed further. या फिर यहाँ पहले clouded leopard कर लेते हैं. एक ही है तो इसको कर लेते हैं पहले. Clouded leopard, you remember in India, it will be there only in the northeast part. Clouded leopard, one thing in terms of the range, it's found in the northeastern part of India. And this will love to stay more on the trees. It is more tree dwelling, so it is more arboreal in nature. ठीक है? It is the state animal of which state? State animal of Meghalaya. And its behavior in terms of activity, just like the tiger and leopard, it will stay active at the night time. It is nocturnal. And when it is hunting, it will be hanging upside down. And then it will catch its prey. This is something very interesting, not seen in the other cats. It will hang itself on the trees upside down and it will wait for the prey, and as and when some deer passes by, it will just catch it, take it up on the tree and then eat. ठीक है? Hunting behavior is different in case of the leopard cat.
It's found only in the northeast, ma'am.
Yes, it's found in northeastern India only.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. And it cannot roar as well, ma'am.
No. Clouded leopard, if we see, that also cannot roar. I told you the ones which are roaring, they are from the Panthera genus.
Okay.
ठीक है? In fact, here snow leopard I had not written deliberately for one reason. Snow leopard is not having its hyoid bone which is responsible for the roar. It's not well developed. Because of that, even when it is making the sound, it's not coming out in the form of roar. So snow leopard also, it is exception in the family of these big cats. It can also not roar. ठीक है? याद रहेगा? हाँ, इसका पूरा डेवलप नहीं होता है वो. In these, it's not there at all. In cheetah, if you see, the hyoid bone, it's not there at all. But in case of snow leopards, it's less developed. Is it clear? Okay, now we will see the further differences. Let us first see the differences between the lion and tiger. If you see lions, they will be always having the packs of females. It's not the males who are staying in the groups. King of jungle हम इसको बोलते हैं, लेकिन कुछ दिन पहले ही ये चल रहा था. It should be said rightly, queen of the jungle. Lion, the males, they like to stay solitary, but the females, along with their children, they will be staying in the prides. Prides is their groups. And it is the females which are hunting in the groups. Mostly, if you see, general behavior of lions which we say, they hunt in the groups. Lion का hunting behavior कैसा होता है? They will always hunt in the groups, as opposed to the tiger. टाइगर अकेला ही शेर है अपने आप में. So tiger will be hunting alone. Tiger will be hunting alone, and tiger will be hunting at night time. So it will hunt at night, which means it is nocturnal. What about lion? Lion will prefer to be more active in the daytime. ठीक है? It is rather diurnal in nature. If you see lion, that will be both of them, they can swim, but if you see which is a better one, it's the tiger. Tiger, it can swim, but lion will generally avoid. If its prey escapes to the region where water is there, it will sort of leave it. अच्छा चल ठीक है जा, ठीक है. But not in case of the tiger. Tiger is going to chase it both on land also and water also. Only after hunting it's going to sit down, and then it will just relish its meal. ठीक है. And something about tigers that they have this behavior, they will stay very patient, they will stalk their prey. They will first stalk their prey very silently, and this is the reason that they are having the stripes, and with those stripes they are able to blend in the environment. Camouflage. ठीक है. They'll be hiding so their prey doesn't even get to know that they are being stalked, and whenever it sees that now that my prey it's alone, I can catch it easily, it will go hunt it and eat it. ठीक है. So this is the major difference between these two. Lion, it does not have any stripes.
Can they climb trees, ma'am, both of them?
Yes.
Can they climb on trees, lion and tiger?
Yes, just like every cat, in general, you remember that when we say the word cat, they will have this, they are endowed with the capability to climb on the trees, but generally the lions will preferably not climb the trees.
Okay, ma'am.
Rather, the tiger, leopards, cheetahs, they will not leave even their prey if it's going on the trees. ठीक है? Is it clear? तो relatively lion तो safe ही हुआ इनके comparison में. Is it clear? So where do you find the lions in India? In India it's restricted. Now it's present only in the Gir National Park. ठीक है? Tiger, both male and female stay or hunt alone. Yes, be it male or female, they will be hunting alone only. First thing, they are not staying in the groups. So that is why they are free to hunt themselves. They are not reliant upon one another. ठीक है? Okay, which is the अटैक दोनों कर सकते हैं. मेल जो है वो opportunistic है. Male is very opportunistic, and mostly it will also join the pack of the females, but during the breeding season. And in fact, it's also seen that they compete for their the females. They will prefer that partner which is more stronger. So males will fight among themselves, and whosoever is able to establish themselves as strong one, female is going to choose that. Animal behavior काफी interesting है. Anyways, let's come back to the syllabus. ठीक है, ये समझ आ गया. फिर उसके बाद सिमिलर लुकिंग एनिमल्स हैं हमारे चीता एंड लेपर्ड. Now you come to your notes itself so that you are able to relate more. Open this. See, first take a very close look of both. On one hand you are having your cheetah. This is cheetah, the one whose coat is covered with the spots which are completely black. ठीक है? There will be dense black spots on their cover. This is your cheetah. Cheetah, if you see, compare its body with the other, the leopard, it will be longer and more streamlined, because cheetah, it is known to be faster. It is in fact the fastest one. Okay, so that it can run with ease. This is why by nature it has evolved to be very streamlined. It will be having thin structure. Long legs will be there. Its legs will be longer and it's going to have very streamlined body. Okay? Now you come to the other one. See the leopard. One thing you notice you see its coat. It is having these rose-like markings. These are the rosettes which we say. These are rosettes. The pattern which is there on their coat, it's rosette. Okay? So they are having rosettes. These will be having black dots. Another thing, you see, this likes to hunt, and if you see, both of them like to hunt, but in terms of the strength, if you see, in terms of strength, this will be more, the leopard, it will overpower even the cheetah in terms of strength. So its body build is also accordingly. It will be having heavier body as compared to this. Legs will be bit shorter. You look at the neck, that is also thicker as compared to the other one. Okay? So lot about these can be deciphered if we are able to figure out how their physique is and why it is so.
Yes.
Okay? Now look at their face. Another way you can distinguish them, you are able to identify. See, this tear line will be there, extending from the inner eyes, extending outwards in the face of cheetah. And also their eyes will be little, they will be amber colored, yellowish. If you see the eyes of cheetah. But how about the leopard? If you see leopard, it is having very beautiful eyes, blue green. ठीक है, इसकी आंखें कैसी हैं? Blue green eyes है ये, देखो ध्यान से. And it is not having this line, tear line which we say. It's absent in case of the leopard. ठीक है? This is another way how you can distinguish the two. Tail in this cheetah, it will be more flat and wide, but in case of your leopard, it's going to be a little tube shaped and it will be thinner. Okay? Is it clear? This will be more swift in climbing the trees. Leopard can be more swift in climbing the trees. This is the reason that its physical features, the claws, they are fully retractable so that they do not face any difficulty while climbing the tree. But in case of the cheetah, these will be semi-retractable. They will have some difficulty while climbing the tree.
What's retractable, ma'am?
Means their claws can go inside. They can, according to the need, they can either use them, or accordingly they can choose not to use their claws.
Okay.
ठीक है? Retract करना. This is retract. This is I open the claws. ठीक है? If you see in terms of the threat which they face, they are facing equal threats. That is why they are vulnerable. IUCN status दोनों का vulnerable है. I hope the differences between two are clear now. ठीक है. We'll now study about snow leopard. If you see the snow leopard, it is also living in the higher reaches of your Himalayas. So that is the reason that its behavior is also accordingly adjusted. It will choose to hunt mostly at the night time. Okay? It is nocturnal species, and unlike the other big cats, it is not having the ability to roar. Rather, it's purring cat. This is also purring. Okay? Is it clear? और इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Ghost of the mountains. It is called ghost of the mountain. since it cannot be easily spotted during the daytime, it's not wandering during daytime, and even at night it is very secretive. When it will come out, when it will hunt and go back, we do not even get to know. Also because of its cover, because of which it is able to blend in its alpine landscape.